Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord soundboard not showing in server. So Discord soundboards typically function by integrating with a Discord server through a bot account. So users can then trigger specific sound clips or effects by using commands or buttons provided by the bot. So to fix this, on your keyboard, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. And then in the Task Manager, find the Discord app, and then click on the End Task. This means stopping a process or activity that is running, such as closing a voice call, shutting down a bot, or exiting a particular function. This is actually very helpful, especially when you are experiencing a bug, since the last update includes the Discord soundboard. And if the issue persists, try reinstalling Discord app on your device. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.